I'm gonna swap out the tail on the Camaro, install a new one that just came in. Sheree, what is up, team? Tail is in. It already came pre-assembled from where I got out. Set the link. Let me go ahead and pull this over here. Came pre-assembled already. Obviously, I'm gonna check to make sure it's tightened before I install it. Very lightweight. Came with double-sided tape, some of these clips, and then the 4 screws that hold that in place. Excuse my damn dogs. That's full. Alright, so I'm gonna have to remove these clips so I can get access to that. Make sure. I believe these also come off, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, what you look at? Oh yeah, that's all it is. But regardless, I did it with my fingers. Let's set that aside. That's one. Should be only those. I hold it. Maybe. Let's remove this just to play it safe. It's my first time doing this, so I'm doing this with you. But I mean, it makes sense because there's 2 there, 2 there, and then you got the 2 here that were given to us. So, you know what? Let's check the bottom of. I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll match it up once we remove that one. So I'm gonna assume there's some more down here, back here. So let's just do that for now. Oh, special. Oh, that helped. Kind of hard to do is just hold in the camera. Give me a sec, guys. Well, you get the idea. Yoink, yoink. I'm telling you, I should get one of these. Comes in handy so much. Just gonna put that there. Holds that in place. Takes that out perfect. Just gonna slide that on. Yeah. All you gotta do is just kind of wedge that in there. Wedge that in real good. Just make sure it hits all the top. You see, it starts, and you yee. Pretty easy. Obviously, you don't do it all the way. I kind of move it around as I do that. So, but you get the idea. That way, you can get a clean, you know. Alright, cool. Set those aside, Let's kind of just pull this forward. Now, it might take some work. All we want to do is, essentially, I guess I've got to take that off. Is see if, so it looks like there is. Does that shoot all the way straight up? And you know what? I feel like it does. So we're definitely gonna need an extension, maybe a 10mm. Let's give that a shot. Good thing we checked. So make sure there's 2 there. So I guess the original wing has 6 in total. So let's go to our tools. Okay, use that. Craftsman. You know what's funny? I just look at that. It's already loosened from me. I swear to God, that's. Well, I don't swear to God. Sorry about that, but that's funny. Let's just remove all of these and. Get that long from in there. Yeah. you get the idea. Alright, so far we moved those two and already it's loose, so that's good. Alright, so on these other ones that are kind of deep in there, I would highly recommend using a magnet. That way the magnet, see if I could show you, you could just come on, it's kind of hard to do at the same time. Sorry guys, this is really hard trying to hold this. Alright, so you want to set that right under there, and you loosen up all the way. Obviously it won't fall because the magnet's going to hold that, and you just pull that out. So that way you're not losing these guys. Alright, just these left. Yeah. Man, those dogs are annoying. To loosen all the way, that way you're able to twist off with your finger, and that way you catch that. That's it. Being that it's the last one, you could just lower your trunk a little bit, and then from there just loosen it. That way, being all the way up, it doesn't fall down or hit the glass. So just go ahead and loosen it like that. Oh, that's gonna fall on me. Last one's off. Slowly bring that down. Just kind of pry that off slowly. See, it's stuck in there from years, but you want to slowly just pry it off all through the edge. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but you get the idea. Give me a sec. Let me just put the camera down. Alright, so I had to use a little bit of persuasion. How to kind of dig that. Here, let me turn that off. Can't really have music copyright, you know how that goes. So obviously because of that double-sided tape, he said to use this. Obviously plastic won't damage kind of this if you don't use it. I used it just kind of to rub because it looks like that double-sided tape was really in there. But in the end, don't be scared to yank it off. That's it. That's all that has. It's that. Here, let me set that down so you get a better look. And that's all that is. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that there. Let's go ahead and install the new one. Just that the new one, I just noticed, doesn't have these sticking out. So that means I'm gonna have to. Now I get it. Maybe I should use Loctite, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna use Loctite on those. Obviously clean this off since we're gonna be using a double-sided tape just for security measures, since we're only gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, not 6. Just use 2 of these rags. One with some warm water, and then the rest kind of dried off, so let's dry it off. And voila. Alright, so that's pretty much done. What we're gonna do is we're gonna apply the double-sided tape now on the wing. That way when we sit it, the double-sided tape helps. Or I could just set it here if I wanted to. Little strips. But then obviously it's gonna be a mission, because then I gotta have to somehow align that. What I'll do first is align this one first at an angle. So in other words, I would have to hold it like this and then screw it on. But maybe I'll use, yeah, I'm still good with the tools I have. All right, let's get this started. Oh yeah, but don't forget, we're gonna use Loctite on these. Blue Loctite medium strength. Got these ready. Is it the same? Oh yeah, same size. So now we're gonna add the double-sided tape. If you got scissors, obviously you don't have to use everything, but just gonna cut some up. You'll see how I'm gonna do it. So cut them at a decent size. And just kind of like, and you'll see what I'm gonna do. I should have enough. So I want to apply some, maybe 2 there, 2 there, maybe 2 here. 2. So nice, good size. So let's start off with that one. You know what? They're not double-sided tape. I thought it was double-sided tape, but it's not. They're kind of like absorbent pads. So maybe to avoid any rattle. So 2, 2, 2. That's what I did. I was gonna add one here, but I think I should be fine like that. Now what I'm gonna do is add the Loctite. Just gonna add one first, just in case it decides to dip. Alright, well, that's added. Now I'm gonna, like I said, sit at an angle and then we're gonna do the first one. So it might be hard for me to record, but you get the idea. Bring your trunk lid down. Alright, so I'm holding it, and obviously you could slide it and align it. So there's the first one. Sorry for my bad recording, but let's go ahead and, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. I got no helper. Try to get someone to help you on this if you can. Alright, so after adding blue medium strength locker, I actually did need help because you kind of have to align the holes. Obviously hand tight first. You don't want to hand tight all the way. Leave wiggle room on each end. So start off at the ends first. Then get those. Do what you gotta do. Then tighten. That's what the blue strength locker was, so they won't, fall apart. But product is done. Now we're gonna tighten these. Oh, you look at that. Yeah. Alright, now we gotta just put back all the clips. Let's just put some stuff away. I'll just add that back. Let's go ahead and add these. Kind of have to align them, but start off with the easy one. Kind of align the top one there. Just gotta squeeze that in there. It might be tight, but just push that in there and success, victory. I'm gonna skip doing the rest, but you get an idea. You get the idea. Honestly, just kind of sit there on. That just clips on. That's done. Well, let's see the finished product. Before you close the lid, make sure there's nothing in here. Keys, phones, wallets. Just there. That she blows. Cool.